The hidden flaw in eclipse maps. Many solar eclipse maps contain inaccuracies that may cause viewers to miss the full experience of totality. These maps often depict a precise path of totality with sharp, defined edges. The sharp, defined edges on solar eclipse maps are misleading due to factors that cause the actual boundary to shift. Actual eclipse boundaries are affected by atmospheric conditions and lunar limb irregularities. Accurate eclipse prediction requires accounting for complex variables that influence the path of totality. Inaccuracies in eclipse maps can arise from outdated solar measurements. These outdated measurements can result in errors of up to 600 meters in eclipse path predictions. The moon's rugged surface, with mountains and valleys, contributes to eclipse map inaccuracies. Lunar surface irregularities can shift the edge of totality by as much as 5 kilometers. Earth's terrain also introduces discrepancies in eclipse path calculations. Even variations in the sun itself can contribute to inaccuracies in eclipse maps. For optimal eclipse viewing, positioning should avoid the map's edge. Moving 1 to 2 miles toward the center line is recommended. Modern eclipse maps incorporate lunar terrain data for increased accuracy. Earth's topography data is integrated into modern maps to enhance eclipse prediction accuracy. Eclipse viewing maps or applications should display zones of uncertainty. Displaying zones of uncertainty provides a more realistic representation of eclipse path prediction. Relying solely on a single definitive line for eclipse viewing can lead to inaccurate positioning. Subscribe for more scientific exploration videos like this, and also, share your thoughts and comments